Hello students, today we are going to solve second problem of concrete. Question is given as the soundness test of cement by Leach-Atelier apparatus gives unsoundness due to. The option first is free lime only, second one is magnesia only, third one is both free lime and magnesia, and the last one is none of these. Now we know that in Leach-Atelier method generally it is used for testing of soundness and it gives unsoundness due to excess lime only. So the correct option of this question is option A, that is free lime only. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.